Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to start with EVS chapter 7, and the name of our chapter is Safety Measures. Children, do you know what it means to stay safe? To stay safe means to be protected and stop ourselves from any injury or sickness. Let us begin with our activity of the day. Children, look at the given pictures. Put a tick if the person is following safety rules. Otherwise, put a cross. So, the girl is using a sharpener. Is she following safety measures? Yes. This boy is using the zebra crossing for crossing the road. Is he using safety measures? Yes. Look at this boy. He's sliding on the railing. He can fall. Is he following the safety procedure? No. Let's move on to the remaining pictures. Look at this picture. The boy is trying to run on the road and catch a falling kite. He is almost about to fall in that main hole. Is he doing what is safe? The answer is no. Look at this boy. He is sticking his head out of the vehicle. This is also not safe. And this boy is trying to hit a stray animal. Do you think this is safe? The answer is no. Let us now start reading our chapter. Children, we know that carelessness can cause accidents. We must follow safety rules. These rules protect us from danger. Let us know about some safety measures to be followed at different places. In this chapter, we are going to learn about safety measures at home, safety measures outside the home, safety measures on the road, and safety while traveling in a bus. At home, many useful things that we have can sometimes harm us. We must learn not to touch or play with such things. They can hurt us. I would like to show you some pictures on the screen. We should not play with fire or matchsticks. We should not use sharp objects. We should not play around with electric switches and wires. Do not run on the stairs. Never lean over the balcony railings. You may fall down. Do not push or pull anybody, not even when you are playing. Fruit and vegetable peels can cause a fall if they are left on the floor. Always put them away in the dustbin. Do not leave soap on the floor of the bathroom. It can make you slip and fall. Someone might get hurt. Children, now look at these pictures. Outside the home, do not talk to strangers. Do not take anything to eat from people who you do not know. If you find something which does not belong to you, do not touch it. Do not try to pick it up. It can be something very dangerous. Children, on the road, keep to the left hand side. Always walk on the footpath. Watch the traffic lights carefully. Walk or cross on the road only when the signal is green for you. Do not play with stray dogs. Never tease pet animals. They may bite us. Cross the road only on zebra crossing when the road is clear. Let us look at safety measures while traveling by bus. While traveling by bus, we should follow these rules. Making a good queue to board the bus is a good idea. Always stand in queue. Wait for the bus to stop before you get in. Do not lean out of the bus. Your face should always be inside. Do not get down from a moving bus. This can seriously hurt you. With this, children, we come to the end of the chapter. Remember, protect yourself and always stay safe.